go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face it another day. We go bottoms up.
Bottoms up is our catchphrase, and it's a concept we are doing our best to live by.
But what does bottoms up mean to us? The most commonly understood meaning is to tilt your glass up and drink until it's empty. Yet that's a narrow interpretation. In a broader sense, it could mean take it all in, or don't leave anything on the table. Carpe diem, to harvest everything life has to offer each day. To pursue things we are passionate about when there's a chance, instead of waiting for a later time. To quote a famous Texas troubadour, I ain't here for a long time, I'm here for a good time.
We go bottoms up, we go all the way. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.